What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's close to all of our hearts: mastering financial success. It's not about luck or being born rich. It's about taking control of your finances and building a solid foundation for the future. Stay tuned as we break down the essential steps to achieve your financial goals, no matter where you're starting from. Before you even think about investing or budgeting, you need to define what financial success looks like for you. This is the foundation upon which all your financial decisions will be built. Without a clear understanding of what you want to achieve, it's easy to get lost in the myriad of financial advice out there. Is it owning your dream home, retiring early, traveling the world? Or perhaps it's something more personal, like funding your child's education or starting your own business. Each of these goals requires a different approach and strategy. Whatever it is, get specific. Write down your goals, make them measurable, and set realistic deadlines. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," say, "I want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house within the next 2 years." This specificity will help you track your progress and stay motivated. Trust me, having that clarity will fuel your motivation and keep you on track. When you can see your goals clearly, it's easier to make decisions that align with them. You'll find yourself more focused and driven to achieve what you've set out to do. Think of it like this. If you don't know where you're going, any road will take you there, right? Without clear goals, you might end up taking paths that lead you away from your desired destination. It's like trying to navigate a city without a map. You might eventually get somewhere, but it won't be where you intended. So, let's figure out your destination. Take the time to reflect on what truly matters to you and what you want to achieve. Once you have that vision, you can start mapping out the steps to get there. Remember, the journey to financial success starts with a single clear goal. Alright, let's talk about budgeting. It's often seen as a tedious task, but it's actually your secret weapon to financial freedom. I know, it sounds boring, but trust me on this one. Budgeting is not just about cutting back on your favorite things or living a life of deprivation. Budgeting isn't about restricting yourself, it's about understanding where your money is going and making it work harder for you. Think of it as a roadmap to your financial goals. Track your income and expenses meticulously, and don't forget those small recurring costs that can add up over time. This awareness can help you make informed decisions. There are tons of apps and tools out there to help you with this, so find one that works for you and stick with it. These tools can simplify the process and make it less daunting. Remember, knowledge is power, and knowing your numbers is the first step to financial control. When you have a clear picture of your finances, you can plan for the future with confidence and ease. Ultimately, budgeting is about creating a life that aligns with your values and goals. It's about making your money work for you, so you can enjoy the things that truly matter. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are good. That's where your emergency fund comes in. This is your financial safety net, there to catch you when unexpected expenses pop up. Think medical bills, car repairs, or even job loss. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. It might seem daunting at first, but start small and gradually build it up. Having that peace of mind is priceless, believe me. Chapter 4. Investing 101. Growing your wealth like a pro. In this chapter, we'll dive into the essentials of investing and how you can make your money work for you. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your strategy, these tips will help you navigate the world of investments with confidence. Now let's talk about putting your money to work for you through investing. Investing is a powerful tool that can help you build wealth over time, but it's important to approach it with a clear plan and understanding. Don't worry, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to get started. The key is to educate yourself and start with the basics. Begin by understanding the different types of investments available to you. Begin by understanding the basics of different asset classes like stocks, which represent ownership in a company and can offer high returns but come with higher risk. Bonds, on the other hand, are loans you give to companies or governments and are generally considered safer but offer lower returns. Real estate is another popular investment, providing both income and potential appreciation. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs for a diversified approach. These funds allow you to invest in a broad range of assets, reducing risk and simplifying your investment strategy. Remember, investing is a long game, so be patient, stay consistent, and keep your emotions in check. It's crucial to have a long-term perspective and not get swayed by short-term market movements. And don't panic sell when the market fluctuates. Market volatility is normal, and reacting impulsively can harm your investment returns. Time in the market always beats timing the market. Staying invested over the long term allows you to benefit from the overall growth of the market, despite short-term ups and downs. Chapter 5. Conquering the Debt Monster. Debt can be a major roadblock to financial success, but it's not an insurmountable obstacle. Start by creating a plan to tackle high-interest debts first, like credit cards, while making minimum payments on others. Consider debt consolidation or balance transfer options to potentially lower your interest rates. The key is to be proactive and develop a strategy to chip away at your debt systematically. You've got this. Chapter 6. Never stop learning, your financial education journey. The world of finance is constantly evolving, so make continuous learning your secret weapon. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow reputable financial experts. There's a wealth of information out there. Stay updated on market trends, new investment strategies, and personal finance tips. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and adapt to changing financial landscapes. Chapter 7. Patience and long-term vision, your keys to financial freedom. Building lasting financial success takes time and dedication. There are no shortcuts or get-rich-quick schemes. Embrace the power of patience and focus on the long term. Don't get discouraged by short-term setbacks or market fluctuations. Remember your goals, stay consistent with your savings and investment plan, and trust the process. The journey may have its ups and downs, but with perseverance, you'll reach your destination. That's it for today's video. Remember, achieving financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. Start by implementing these steps today and watch your financial well-being soar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on achieving financial success. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. See you in the next video.